Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. Practice English with us in a friendly and easy way.
Hi, friends. I'm David.
And I'm Emily. We're so happy you are here today.
If you enjoy practicing English with us, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps more learners feel confident speaking English.
Today's topic is very important. We will talk about your goals.
Yes, this is real English conversation practice for B1 learners, but A2 learners can follow too.
We will speak slowly. We will explain vocabulary clearly, and we will repeat important phrases. Let's start simple. What is a goal? A goal is something you want to achieve in the future. Repeat. A goal is something you want to achieve.
Examples of goals are, I want to improve my English. I want to get a better job. I want to save money. I want to be healthier.
I want to plus verb. I want to travel. I want to learn. I want to improve. Very useful structure.
But another structure, my goal is to plus verb. Example, my goal is to start my own business.
There are two types of goals: short-term goals, long-term goals.
Short-term means soon, maybe this month or this year. Example, my short-term goal is to practice English every day.
Long-term means in the future, maybe in 5 years. Example, my long-term goal is to work in another country.
Let's practice. Emily, what is your short-term goal?
My short-term goal is to improve my pronunciation. What about you?
My short-term goal is to read one English book this month.
Great goal. Listeners, say your short-term goal out loud. Good job.
Many people have career goals. Career means your job or profession. Useful sentences, I want to get promoted. I want to change my career. I want to learn new skills.
Example conversation. David, what are your career goals?
I want to become a manager in the future.
That sounds ambitious. Ambitious means having strong goals.
Thank you. What about you?
I want to improve my communication skills. Some goals are about money. Example, I want to save more money. I want to buy a house. I want to start a business.
Personal goals are about self-improvement. Examples, I want to be more confident. I want to exercise regularly. I want to manage my time better.
Manage my time means use time wisely. Very useful phrase. Let's have a natural conversation. David, what is your biggest goal right now?
My biggest goal right now is to improve my public speaking skills.
Why is that important to you?
Because I want to feel more confident at work.
That makes sense. My biggest goal is to travel to 3 new countries next year.
That sounds exciting. How will you achieve that?
I will save money every month and plan carefully.
Good plan. Listeners, notice the question, how will you achieve that? This means, how will you make it happen?
Goals are easier when you have steps. Step means small action. Example, my goal is to improve English. Step 1, practice 20 minutes daily. Step 2, watch English videos. Step 3, speak with friends.
Break big goals into small steps. That makes them less scary.
Sometimes goals feel difficult. That is normal.
You may feel tired. You may feel discouraged. Discouraged means losing motivation.
But remember, progress takes time.
Even small progress is success. If you practice 10 minutes today, that is progress.
Don't give up. Repeat, I will not give up. Good job.
Let's review important phrases. What are your goals? My goal is to. I want to My short-term goal is. My long-term goal is. How will you achieve that? I will take small steps. Excellent work today. Now it's your turn. Number 1. What is your biggest goal this year? Number 2. Is it short-term or long-term? Number 3. What steps will you take? Write your answers in the comments, or say them out loud for speaking practice.
Thank you for practicing English conversation with us.
Talking about your goals helps you practice real English.
Remember, your English improves step by step.
Like, share, and subscribe for more easy English practice.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.